Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change width of column in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for changing the width of column, so just place the cursor between two columns on which you want to change the width. So when you will place the cursor on the line between two columns, so press the left side of mouse and then drag to left or right side where you need. So you can see the width is changed. So second method is that just select the column. So after selecting the column, just press the right side of mouse and here you can see column width. So here you can select the column width. So after writing the column width, just click on OK. You can see column width is changed. So similarly, if you want to change the width of multiple column, so just select the column. So after that, click the right side of mouse and then click on column width. So here select the column width. After that, click on OK. You can see column width is changed. So similarly, if you want to change width of all the column in the sheet, so just select the whole sheet by click on it. So when you will click on it, whole sheet is selected. So then place the cursor between two columns on the line and then drag to left or right side according to your need. So you can see the whole column width is changed. So guys, in this way you can change width of column in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.